In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a music website using the MusicPress platform. MusicPress allows artists, bands, singers, rockers, rappers, and musicians to build a professional website within minutes. You can showcase your music, display your big, beautiful photos, let fans know about your tour dates and shows, and most importantly, buy a domain for your website using MusicPress. The first thing you must do is sign up. After you verify your account, the first page you'll see is the dashboard. While you're on your dashboard, you'll be able to view your plan details and how much space you're using. You can also upgrade your account to unlock your analytics, which shows you how many visits and interactions your fans have had with your website. And you can also unlock the Shows feature, which allows fans to know where your next show or gig is. In addition, you can view your website at any time by clicking this button. Access this how-to video by clicking the video icon. And easily navigate through the customer panel using the menu, whether you're on your iPhone, Android, laptop, or desktop. On your profile page, you can upload your photo, edit your email address, and add an email address for your contact form on your website. On your domain page, you can buy a domain, and check this out. You can purchase as many domains as you'd like, and you can activate and deactivate domains with a simple click of a button. Or use an existing domain that you may have bought at GoDaddy or somewhere else. The website templates you choose, customize, and publish will live on the My Sites page. You can also delete and swap website templates with the click of a button. Explore tons of website templates here. If you find one that you like, customize it and publish it. And if you're customizing a website template and not quite done with it, then save it and come back later to finish and publish it. Or if you just totally mess up, start over by clicking Reset. You can access your account's payments here. The SEO page allows you to add a title, description, and image to your website. This is especially helpful if you want your information to come up correctly in search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Also, whenever your website link is shared on social media, it'll look like what you want it to look like and say exactly what you want it to say after you finish editing the social media area of this page. Don't forget to share MusicPress with other artists and bands by clicking the Share MusicPress button. And lastly, if you need support, click the Support tab. We hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to build a music website within minutes. www.musicpress.com